Okay, we're gonna put the Gemtor on. I'm gonna put on the fixed leg first and then roll on the other leg. Fixed leg, I'm just gonna bring this over, connect this up first. I'm gonna do the Velcro. Let's get that stabilized. Put it on the inside, not into the A-frame. I'm gonna secure the ladder hook. Let's call it NFPA ladder hook. And that's that. This here, I'm gonna pass over the leg loop. And through the front, which I like rear, but you know, to his own. This one here, again, I'm gonna pass this leg through here, through the leg loop, and your waist connectors is here. That connects here. I'm going to flip it now to secure the rest of the straps to where they should lie. Probably different on everybody's turnouts because where the leg loops are might not be where the harness lies. There you go. You have your setup there, and your adjusters are back here. And you're done.